Hey y'all, Bunkle here, doing another pack opening from that box that I found in the garage with all the unopened packs. Today what we're going to be doing, or in this video what we're going to be doing is 1992 Donruss Series 1 cards. Now, there's not that many cards in here that most people would look for. Hall of Famers are always great. Kenny Lofton would be great from Series 1. But there's not all that much else in the 92 Donruss Series. I also don't have that many packs of these. I have 6 of these that were inside that box. So this is going to be a short video as well. Let's just get to ripping. Now, by 92, I was kind of sort of not collecting as much as I was during the 80s. I got to get a ripper here. There we go. Got the first pack here. Now, I'd be excited to find some Hall of Famers in here, or Ryan, or Ricky, or any of that. Got Mike Timlin, Teddy Higuera, Ron Tingley, Kevin Gross, Sandy Alomar, that's a nice action shot, John Smiley, Mark Whiten. Now, he has an interesting error card. He didn't have all that much of a career, but he does have an interesting error card from the 91 Topps that we're going to be getting to opening in another video. Got Greg Olson, Pat Borders, Bip Roberts, great first name, Vicente Palacios, Jeff Bagwell. Bagwell's a nice card to find. He had a great career. Jeff Brantley, Kevin McReynolds, Mark Grace. That's one that I would have definitely been excited to find back in the day. That's what the back of the cards look like. Got recent performance, career highlights, a lot of information, as well as a second head shot of him. And there goes the puzzle from that year. It's Rod Carew. Let's move those to the side. And get cracking number 2. Yeah, I never did like these foil wrappers. They were always harder to open. I mean, in some ways they were better than the regular wax wrappers, but they just were very difficult to just like rip or pop open. Give me a second here. Probably not the best way to open a pack. All right, let's see who we start off with. Bobby Rose with the Angels, Mickey Tettleton, Jeff Robinson, B.J. Surhoff. He was a really good catcher back then. Paul O'Neill, as a Yankee fan, he's definitely somebody that would become relevant in later years. Bruce Hurst. Got Brian Barnes, Greg Olson, Chuck Krim. Nice Ripken there. Really nice. Well centered. A little bit off top to bottom, but I'll take that every day. Got a checklist. Danny Jackson, Pete O'Brien, Tim Belcher, Walt Weiss. He was supposed to be a really great shortstop. He was okay. I mean, there was some better, there was some worse. And there goes the corner card from the Carew puzzle. Or I should say the corner puzzle piece. Get to pop and pack number 3 here. Have to keep a blade or something over here for future packs. Gotta remember that. I will have a lot more pack openings. You can see the other video for the box that I found in the back of the garage. Ooh, that's a nice one to start it off. That's a really pretty Ricky. That's pretty well centered, just off a little bit top to bottom. But yeah, nice, crisp pack, fresh. That I'm excited to find now. Les Lancaster, Scott Bales, Ray Lankford, Cal Daniels, Rick Cerone when he was with the Mets, Scott Ruskin, Rich Rodriguez, Gilberto Reyes, Todd Froworth. That's really nice action also there with that semi-sidearm delivery. Orlando Merced, Scott Bankhead, Jim Eisenreich, Mike Gardiner, Mike Jeffcoat, and another one of the same puzzle pieces as the last pack. Shuffle those to the side. Okay, now pack number 4. Different puzzle piece now. Let's see who we start off with. Joe Klink, Randy Reddy, Rags, Dave Righetti. Now, he was a great pitcher when he was with the Yankees during the mid-'80s. This is going off towards the end of his career when he was with the Giants. Jose Rio, Vince Coleman, speedster on the bases when he was with the Mets. Will Clark, Reggie Jefferson, Rick Honeycutt, Matt Marullo, Alex Fernandez, John Franco, New York Kid. See him in his Mets uniform there. Mike Felder, Greg Hibbard, Robin Yount, another great Hall of Famer. Definitely keep that one on the side there. John Barfield. And the lower corner piece. Alrighty, got 3 nice ones so far, or 4 nice ones. Take a quick look. Got the Robin Yount, the Ricky, Ripken, and Bagwell. Nice so far. Pack number 5 here. Looks like I'm getting 1 decent card per pack from the way it's lining out. So I wonder who the surprise in this one's going to be. Still looking for the Kenny Lofton. That would be great. But got Walt Whitehurst to start it. George Bell. Mike Lavalier. Dave Smith. Greg Maris. Steve Howe was with the Yankees there. Joel Skinner. Bud Black. That elbow angle's crazy. Jeff Reardon. Brian Harper. Biggio. Well, you got Biggio and Bagwell. That's an interesting one. Matt Williams. Brett Saberhagen. Jim Gray. And Chili Dog Davis. Getting to the last pack in this stack here. Alrighty, what do we have here? Joe Girardi. Was with the Cubs as a catcher. Craig Nabholz. Griffey. Sweet. Now that's a real pretty find. That's a nice one. Got perfect corners on that. Really, really nice card. Paul Assenmacher. Barry Jones. Jose Vizcaíno. It's another one that ended up with the Yankees later on in his career. There he is with the Cubbies. Got Brett Maine, Billy Swift, Chuck Finley, Tom Gordon, Dennis Rasmussen, Mike Harkey. He was supposed to be a really good pitcher, like an ace, but never really panned out. Jack Clark, Alan Trammell, and Pedro Guerrero to wrap up our packs. Well, that's it on these 6 packs. Y'all take care, stay blessed, see you in the next one.